damage. To hurt or break something. The car got damaged in the accident. Smoking can damage your health. Calm. To feel peaceful, quiet, and not worried. He took deep breaths to stay calm. Yoga helps me feel calm. Neighbor. A person who lives near your house. My neighbor is very friendly. I can hear music from my neighbor's house. Tired. To feel like you need rest or sleep. After running, I was very tired. They were tired but happy after the trip. Dustbin. A container where you throw trash or waste. Put the paper in the dustbin. I threw the banana peel into the dustbin. Loan. Money that you borrow and have to pay back later. I took a loan from the bank. He asked his friend for a small loan. Medicine. Something you take to feel better when you are sick. The doctor gave me some medicine. Don't forget to take your medicine. Mirror. Something you look into to see yourself. She broke the mirror by accident. He checked his hair in the mirror. Garage. A place where you park your car or fix cars. We have 2 cars in our garage. Dad is fixing the bike in the garage. Speech. To talk to a group of people, usually for a special reason. I was nervous before my speech. Everyone clapped after the speech.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!